So we're going to do the first ones together, the outside pair, the inside pair, and then the last. So when they're talking about the first, they're saying the first one in each set of parentheses. So I'm going to do the u times the u. If I do u times u, I'm adding my exponents, so 1 plus 1 is 2. U times u is u squared. Then I'm going to do the outside pair. So I'm going to take the u times the minus 5. If I take u times minus 5 in algebra, we just put the number right in front of our variable, so we just have negative 5u. Then we do the inside pair. 1 times u is just u. I would just probably put it as plus 1u while I'm working, just to remind myself that that's really a 1. And then I'm going to do the last pair. 1 times negative 5. 1 times negative 5 is negative 5. When you FOIL it out, those two middle terms, the outside and the inside, are like terms. We can combine those. Negative 5 plus 1 is negative 4. So I have u squared minus 4u minus 5. Now, no, I really probably don't write that out every time, but just to explain what they're talking about for FOILing. The first, the outside, the inside, the last. It just gives you a pattern to follow so you can keep track of where you're at. So if I look at the second one, I'm going to start out with the v times the v. V times v would be
V squared.
e squared. Then I do my outside, so v times a positive 4
4v.
plus 4v. And then I do the inside pair, negative 3 times v minus 3v. And then I do the last, negative 3 times positive 4 minus 12. I'm then going to combine my middle terms. So a 4v minus a 3v would be a v plus v. So my answer, v squared plus v minus 12. And I get what's called a trinomial because there's 3 terms in my answer. So if I'm going to FOIL the third one, multiplying that out, the first one I would get
Y squared.
y squared, then I would get
Negative 6y.
negative 6y, and then I would have
Positive 1y.
positive 1y, and then I would get
Negative 6.
negative 6. Combining my like terms, my answer then is going to be
Y squared minus 5y minus 6.
exactly. You've done that before. So then we are going to multiply some binomials that have 2 variables instead of just 1 variable.